Alright, guys, today we are going to explore not one but two incredible villages here in the beautiful region of Alpujarra, Spain. The name of the villages are Capileira and Pampaneira. These are the villages that are super famous for their stunning scenery and picture perfect views, and trust me, they are absolutely dreamy. I can't wait to show you around, so let's get started. Now we are in one of the small village, Poqueira. It's also the region of Alpujarra. It's a small beautiful village. I'm going to show around the houses and the streets of this village. From here you can enjoy the beautiful view of snow on the mountain, so we are going to see that as well. Let's go. So the roads in this village are a bit slippery, so make sure you are wearing the proper shoes when you are coming to these villages. We are now strolling through the streets of this gorgeous village, and honestly, every corner here is picture perfect. You will want to have your camera ready because there are just so many amazing spots for the photos. It's a little windy here right now. And look, it's snowing. How cool. We are now making our way through these charming narrow streets to catch a glimpse of snow-covered mountains. And let me tell you, it's totally worth it. The walk itself is so peaceful and beautiful. Now we are in the Pampaneira village. It's one of the beautiful village, and we are going to visit a chocolate factory here which is very famous, and we are going to see the village. Now we are heading to one of the most famous spots in the area, Abuela Ili Chocolates. The chocolate factory is legendary. So I have heard that they make some of the most irresistible treat you will ever taste. I'm so excited to check it out, and who doesn't love chocolates, right? Let's go. That's it for today's adventure. I hope you enjoyed exploring with me. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, please.